What's up guys, welcome to Tommy RC. Today I'm going to show you a new product. Now this is from the isdt and this is called the BL8. Now this is a charger company. Now look at this, this is a small, just like the, this is can show your batteries wattage. It can up to 8S. Now this is a manuals, small manuals, and this is a box. Now that's it. When I put the batteries balance connectors to it, it will show the voltage. And by the way, this is a colored displays, not black and white. You can see this is a 6S batteries. This is the China Hobbylands 100C batteries. It's so powerful. And we can see the 6S voltage, and then it's so accurate. You can see 3.875. Oh my god, so accurate. And it also shows the total voltage and the highest voltage and the lowest voltage. By the way, we can see there is a balance. This is balanced. When put the balance, you can see the times. Now this is also a portable chargers, we can call it. It has functions. It has balance functions. We can see the highest cells, there is a down arrow balance, and the lower cells, it has a up arrow balance. So this is can balance your batteries. And by the way, this BL8 has a maximum of 3 amps balance amps. It's so big, and I think it's even bigger than the chargers, AC and DC chargers. Now it is not only can show your voltage, but also can balance your batteries. I think this is so cool. Now that's all about the isdt BL8. So please thumbs up, make comments down below, and I will see you next time. Bye.